NDC, which is your government, when it comes, it will make sure that we work in order to include our citizens of the Zongos in the national cake and make sure that they get their fair share. So I want to thank the organizers for doing a very good job, and to say that this is not going to be the first and it's not going to be the last. This is an interaction we're going to be holding regularly. And because time has beaten us, we were supposed to have an interactive session where we would have given the opportunity for everybody to be able to speak their minds. Unfortunately, because of time, we are not able to do so. But I can assure you that at the next stakeholders conference, we will have the opportunity to interact. And I can assure you that inshallah, when I become president, I will come to this stakeholders conference. I will come to this stakeholders conference, and any issues of concern that we have in the Zongo community, I'll be here with our ministers and we will address those concerns.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.